Read your Quran and the Bible. When the merciful get merciless, we need to read Psalm 82 verse 6. It's real, so make sure you do real things. Females, never forget you're still queens. Feel until you feel free with wings. In the mail, we ain't got the killer be king.